Katie Goddard, and I would tell anyone to take the politics of hip-hop with Dr. Kendra King, because everything you know about hip-hop is wrong. I can tell you that already. I didn't know much about it coming into it, and the few preconceived notions that I had were all wrong. Dr. King will prove you wrong. She will change your entire view of how the system works. I learned that hip-hop is actually a movement for social change, and that a lot of artists don't recognize this these days. And they let the opportunity to say something substantive pass them by to make change really happen. And if you take this class, that's what you'll learn. And I strongly recommend it for anyone who listens to the music and who thinks they know a lot about it. You really don't. Take the class, you'll enjoy it, you'll love it.
This class will teach you about the 5 elements of hip-hop: MCing, DJing, graffiti, breaking, and fashion. You will also learn in this class how these 5 elements helped hip-hop become a much more than just music. It is now known as a movement.
This class is what the founding fathers of hip-hop was striving for. Afrika Bambaataa was trying to find a way to vanquish man-made labels, remove distance, and unify a people through music. The politics of hip-hop is a class that realizes this dream. This is a class where people come together not based upon labels. There's no frat boy, there's no thug, there's no jock. This is a community that's based upon one love, music.
Sick and he's spitting fire and Mike got him out the dryer, he's hot. Found him in Fort Minor with top, but a fucking nihilist porcupine. He's a prick, he's a cop. The type women wanna be within, rappers hope he gets shot. 8 years in the making, patiently waiting to blow. Now the record with your notice taking over the globe. He's got a partner in crime, this shit is equally dope.